Namaste. Welcome to Move It. Knees are the victims, not the culprits. We've already done a video on this subject, but then we realized that we've probably gone ahead of ourselves, and this is a prequel to the previous video, link above. So here's how the story goes. I started to have trouble with my left knee, debilitating pain, so much so that I was barely able to walk. I used to limp. Playing tennis was impossible for me. And I became certain that it's a bad issue that I've got in my left knee, either an ACL tear or a meniscus tear. As usual, I went to the trusted physio. He did some clinical tests, and the good news was that it was not that injury. Now, where's the problem? The problem lies with our weak hips and the inherent imbalances that we develop over the years because of the way we move. So he suggested certain hip movements and movement of our thighs and quads with the assistance of rubber bands. When I said that we went ahead of ourselves and did that video, what I meant was that video is meant for someone who is in stage 2 of their rehab, of strengthening the muscles here. The first stage is what we are going to demonstrate in this video. The movements are same or similar. The difference being, in this one, we will do the same movements lying down, which essentially means that strength in the muscles has not developed so much that we can do the movements standing up, and hence we would try to start by doing them lying down. Movement number 1, lying down, marching against the resistance of the band. So we do simple march while we keep our abdomens really tight and engaged. Movement number 2, the band comes around our ankles and we do the sideways shuffles while the knee is not bent. We obviously do it for both our legs. The core abdomen remains engaged all the time. Third movement, we'll try as much as possible to keep our knees straight and bring the leg up. If you find it difficult, it's okay to give support to your hip with your hand here. And once you find these easy enough, is the time to go to the next video and start doing these movements standing up. There are a few additional movements as well in that video. Needless to say, if you like what we're doing at our channel, please subscribe and share about us with others, and keep moving.